Ignore that I look chopped, it's really late. Hi, my name is Finn, otherwise known as Kelcor, and I am not a professional cosplayer, but I would like to be, and this video has nothing to do with cosplaying. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, you probably know that I am a Smiski fanatic. I have a ton of Smiskis, but I don't have any from the workout series, which is what inspired this video. So I bought 4. I've been going to the gym. I'm trying to get jacked by MomoCon, and by jacked I just kind of mean like lean. And I don't have a personal trainer, but I could hire one. Basically, I am going to open one of these every single day, and I'm gonna assign like a different task to each of the ones that I could pull, and that is going to decide what I do at the gym that day. And then on Friday, I'm going to combine all 4 into a mega gym routine. And even though this is kind of like playing around, I do want results. Like, I've been going to the gym for a few months, and I'm getting close to seeing results, but not quite. Trust me, there's a muscle forming under this noodle arm. So I have a few rules for myself. Obviously, gym every day, work it into my schedule no matter what, no ifs, ands, or buts, or the video would be ruined. And I'm cutting out eating sugar at home, which you're probably like, what, Finn, what do you mean by that? I was going to like cut out sugar entirely for this week because my sweet tooth has been getting pretty bad. But I'm about to graduate college, and the dining hall has really, really good desserts, and I'm not going to be able to go there in like 3 weeks, so I might as well enjoy it while I still go here. So I'm allowing myself to still enjoy on-campus sweet treats in moderation, but no sweet treats inside my own home. That'll make a difference, trust me. And then I'll cut sugar after I graduate. Hashtag abs by MomoCon. So I want to assign each of these because I would just do exactly what they're doing, but 1, that doesn't like cover all of the main categories that I want to be included, and 2, I don't even think I have all this stuff at the gym that I go to. So here are the options. First one, obviously core exercises, and then the weights and the stretching, also self-explanatory. I'm probably gonna do like basic stretching every day, but maybe if I get the stretching one, I could like dip my toe into calisthenics. I've also been like trying to get my splits, but I don't like dedicate a whole lot of time to that at the gym, so maybe I could do some more like stretches towards that goal. It's been like 30 minutes stretching, I don't know. So the ones that give me pause are the one in the little jumpsuit, the yoga ball, and the hula hoop. I think for the one in the leotard, if I get him, I will do like an 80s workout video. Oh my god. If I get the yoga ball, I will challenge myself to do something that I never do at the gym, which is to use like machinery equipment. Because like, does my gym have a yoga ball? Yes, but do I know how to effectively work out using a yoga ball? Absolutely not. So maybe I'll work in a yoga ball just a little bit to satisfy you guys. For now, I'm gonna say yoga ball Smiski equals some sort of equipment. Bro, this video is ass. Then for hula hooping, I'm just gonna say some semi-unique form of cardio. Regardless of what I pull on each day, I am going to do 30 minutes of probably like incline walking. So I'm gonna say if I pull the hula hoop, that turns my cardio time into an hour. So if I pull the hula hoop, I will do some other form of cardio in addition to the treadmill. I'm so impatient, I want to open them all. I'm going to bring this guy to the gym with me tomorrow morning, open him in the gym, and then we will get right into getting buff. I thought this video idea was like fun and creative, but I'm worried that it's just gonna be stupid. That's okay. I will see you in the morning. go to the gym. That's just part of the experience. I'm in like a study room right now because they're playing a Lifetime movie with audio in the gym room. There's actually 2 gym rooms, and right now both of them are empty, which was a big relief for filming, but they're playing a Lifetime movie out loud. I hear that the like air conditioning in here is loud as so you can probably hear that too. But we have to open this guy. Okay, an employee just walked past and looked at me. That's fine. Okay, place your bets in the comments what we're going to be doing today. Oh no. I said 80s workout video. I didn't think I'd get this one. Well, let's get to it. Normally I would eat something and then shower, but Caspian is in the shower right now, so I have to wait. But we're going to breakfast when we leave the house, so I'm not gonna have breakfast now. But I do have to wait to shower, and I'm sweaty. Okay, hello. It is Tuesday. I woke up with horrible cramps, but I was already planning on going to the gym tonight instead of this morning anyway, so it was fine. I'm still gonna go. I had a normal day of class. For breakfast, I had strawberry spinach applesauce with chia seeds in it and a poppy seed bagel. I feel like 5 out of 10 about both of those things, and I didn't really enjoy chewing applesauce. And then for lunch, I had chicken tacos, and they were very good. And I've decided, because of my fatigue level, because of extenuating circumstances, I'm going to open my Smiskis before deciding which gym to go to, because I was going to go to the campus gym today instead of the apartment gym. It's bigger, it has more equipment, it's really cool, but that means I have to drive there. And that's kind of a lot when I could just walk 20 steps to my apartment gym. So based on whoever this is, I'll make my decision. Unrelated to what workout I want to do, my 2 favorites are like the sit-up one and the stretching one, just because I prefer Smiskis without props. The hula hoop and the like barbell, I'd also be really happy with those. Honestly, the only one I didn't want is the one that I got yesterday. The yoga ball's cute too. Okay, what's my fate? Oh, he's fun. I think for this one I said like unique cardio. So actually in that case, I probably will go to the on-campus gym. They have just more cardio equipment in general. So I guess I will get ready and I will go out. Day 3. There's like soft music in here, and it feels really echoey, so I'm talking quiet. I really want to lift today. I feel like I haven't been making any progress in my arms because the past 2 days I've just been doing other stuff. I feel like I'm talking so loud, but I doubt you can hear me. Bro, I just want some weights or some ab exercises. This is such a bad idea. Gym. I'm so tired. Was not really in the mood to do double cardio after doing double cardio last night, but that's okay. It's what the Smiskis decided. My roommate is in the shower, so I think I'm going to have breakfast and then shower, even though I really want to shower right now. I think my other roommate just got in the shower. And I went and did some stuff and it was lit. And then we had lunch at home. Now I want a snack. So I'm trying this new protein bar review. Yeah. It's really early Thursday morning and I'm gonna head to the gym because I have like the busiest day ever today. So I'm going to the gym and then I have to come back, get ready, go to class and do a final presentation. And then after that, I'm going to a client's house to do photography for a like branding thing that I'm doing for her, like a rebrand, also with a group though. And then I have to come back, get ready for the improv show tonight, but before I go to the improv show, I have to go to my roommate's art show, and then my friend is coming into town and we're gonna have dinner before the improv show, and then I go to the improv show, and then there's a kickback afterwards. So this is my only chance to go to the gym, so I'm up early because I'm locked in. I'm actually going to open the last Smiski in my room. This is the last routine decider, and then tomorrow I do them all. I'm really hoping for weights or crunches. I feel like I have plateaued on my muscle gaining because all I've been doing is fucking cardio. Everyone manifest for me? Okay. If I get another hula hoop, it's over. If I get another one that I've already gotten, I'm canceling the video. Crunches! Dude, I can totally do that. Okay, we're going to the gym.
How are you now?
That's not bad. That's not bad. It's 3 a.m. Good night. Why did I decide to make this video? I like the gym, but not right now. Worked my ass off. We literally got like so slammed, it was crazy. Apparently like there was a water line break and a bunch of the like restaurants in my town closed down, so everybody and they mama was at my job. But I made good money. But I'm so tired and I have to go back tomorrow morning and open. It is literally 1:21. So I'm doing a blurry outro in my car in the dark. Thank you for watching this video. I know it's kind of like weird for my channel, but I wanted to do it and it was fun. It wasn't really successful as like a workout plan, but it happened. I appreciate you for clicking on this video when there's like 1,000 videos that you could have clicked on. And I love you so much. Bye!